Hello my family and friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana with peanut butter sandwich. If you have leftover banana or one piece of banana, you can use that and make into a sandwich, and then just put peanut butter, toast it, or you don't have to toast it. So I'll show you with toasting on the pan after putting the banana, peanut butter sandwich, and then you can heat it into the pan with the butter, or you just slice it, can cut into half and just eat it. So I will see you in a little bit. So my friends, just one banana. If you're not very hungry, especially in the morning, we're not very hungry in the morning, so you can use half of the banana and bread. I like the raisin bread, or you can use just the regular bread. I will see you in a little bit. Please follow my video. If you're not subscribed in my channel yet, please subscribe over here, like and comment over here. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you get notified in my next video. My family and friends, let's go make that sandwich.